Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be multiplying polynomials in these next couple problems. If you have any questions, make sure you ask during class or come to extra help. They'll be happy to help you out. And hopefully this video helps answer a lot of those questions for us. So this is 5.0 HW1, multiplying polynomials. So problem number 1. We have 3nx plus 5 times 6n plus 4. What we got to do, we got to multiply things out. This 3n has to say hello to the 6n and to the 4. And what it's going to be doing is going to be 3n times 6n. 3n times 4. So 3n times 6n. Well, 3 times 6 is 18. So those are the two numbers. And now it's n times n. When there's two n's involved, it's going to be n to the second power. So it's 18n squared. Now 3n times 4, well 3 times 4 is 4, 8, 12. So it's going to be plus 12. And then there's one n involved. It's 3n times 4. So it'll be 12n. Next then, the 5 has to say hello to both the 6n and the 4. Well, 5 times 6n is 30n. And then 5 times 4 is 20. So we have 18n squared plus 12n plus 30n plus 20. Now things that are alike, like we practiced, so combined like terms, things that are alike get combined together. So our final answer is going to be 18n squared. 12n plus 30n is 42n. And then the plus 20. So number 1, the answer is A. And that's how we multiplied two binomials together. Let's do another one. Problem number 2. So I'm going to do 5r times 8r. 5 times 8 is 40. So I'm going to write 40r. Now it's r times r, so it's r squared. So I have 40r squared. My little notes here on the side. Then 5r times 3. Well, 5 times 3 is 12, so it's a plus... Oh, sorry, 5 times 3 is 15. 15r. And it's only one r is being involved here, so we only put an r to the first power. Then down below we do 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. So I write 32. And there's only one r involved, so I just do r. That's a positive 32. And then 4 times 3 gets you 12. So that's plus 12. I combine my like terms. 15r plus 32r gets you 47r. So I see this one is the only one with the 47r. 40r squared, that goes for that. And the plus 12 is right there. So my answer is D for number 2. Let's try the next one with number 3. Make it a little bit bigger. There we go. We're going to do 5n times 4n. Well, 5 times 4 is 20. N times n is n squared. Then 5n times negative 3 is negative 15n. 4 times 4 gets you 16n. That's 4 times 4. And then 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. 20n squared. Well, we could already eliminate that one. And we can eliminate that guy. A 20n squared, so we got one there and one here. Then negative 15 plus 16. Now some of us have trouble with problems like this, so I would bring up the calculator. And I would do negative 15 plus 16. And enter, I see I get 1. So this is a positive 1. And so it's not 31, it's 1. And a negative 12. So the answer for number 3 is B. So we just have to be careful with our signs. That's a popular mistake. Number 4. We're going to do 3r times 2r. That gets you 6r squared, because there's 2 r's involved. 3r times negative 5 is negative 15r. Negative 2 times 2r is negative 4r. And negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. So we're going to combine like terms. We have 6r squared. Well, it looks like all the options have 6r squared. Negative 15r plus a negative 4r, or negative 15 minus 4, is actually negative 19. And then plus 10. So 4 is D. Alright, those are the first 4 problems. The rest of the problems are just like these. If you have any questions, just ask me during extra help, or ask me during class. I'll be happy to help you out. Remember to complete the rest of this Google form, putting in all those answers. And make sure you hit the submit button so it gets submitted to the Excel file, so I can see it, so I can put the grades in. Alright, have yourself a good night.